Okay, I'm going to show you how to upload the Max Opera index file into Max Opera itself. Once you're your internet browser and actually log in, this will take you to the dispatcher screen. The usernames within the warehouse operations should always default to dispatcher. Now, to check this, on the right hand side, just click the login details and ensure the user role says dispatcher. In this example, I have 3 different permissions. Just make sure dispatcher is selected. Okay, this opens this screen. To actually upload an order, there's a couple of little things you need to check before you do that. You need to make sure that you're on the correct delivery date. For this example, I'm going to do everything under Christmas Day because it's a non-delivery day. We can just do this for test, so the 25th, and then I'm going to select the required distribution centre. So BAL is Ballymoney, BAL is Belfast, COL is Coleraine, DUB is Dublin, GAL is Galway, MID is Cork, SCO is Scotland, and we have Tyco down at the bottom for our KFCs. For today's example, I'm going to choose Belfast for the upload. Okay, so now once you're in the right day and the right distribution centre, the upload process is relatively straightforward. And at this stage, you would have already ran the report from Index. So to get it into Max Opera, you need to select the little page with the up arrow, import from file. You need to choose the file. Today it's going to be Max Opera test. Again, make sure you're on the right delivery date. Import. And you'll see it starts to move the orders on the right hand side into the actual mill screen. Once everything has been imported successfully, then hit OK. And you'll see, as I said, you've moved all of the orders from this upload side of the screen, and it's pre-populated everything into the correct routes. So in this example, this route is Bell 004, and it's moved all the required orders in the correct sequence onto that route. It's the same for Bell 005 and Bell 006. Those are the 3 examples on that upload file today. Once you have everything into the system, there is 2 more steps that you need to do. You need to then lock the schedules to say that you're happy. You're not going to be adding anything more into those schedules. And the next part is then sending it to the driver's device. So to lock it, on the top left hand side of the screen, you'll hit lock schedule, and you'll see it changes. Once you hit yes, it changes these to a different colour. Okay, once it's locked, you can't move or change anything from that. Now, you can unlock at a point, but again, I would always stress to be sure that you want to lock first before you have to do that. Okay, once you've locked, then you need to send that information to the driver's handheld device. There's 2 ways of doing this. You can do it at an individual level with using these mail icons, or you can do it together, which we'll do in this example, which is here. Once you hit send, it moves these flashing mail icons, and that is everything then has been sent to the relative driver, and that's it, completed.